Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install MoreCraft mod for 1.8.9 and let's get on. So this mod adds more things for you, for your Minecraft, so you can play and expand more than just killing the Ender Dragon basically. You have more items, blocks, tools, armor and stuff like that. So let's just get down. So you want to go down here, here's some screenshots. You want to go down and you want to click the 1.8.9 link, which is going to be this one, and you should get something like this. Just press download. If it shows this, just close this and press it again, and then just click download, and it should work. Sometimes it does this as an ad. You can keep this, it's safe, by the way. It's just because it's a .jar file. Now you want to go to Minecraft Forge. By the way, I'll leave the links for this in the description, and you want to download 1.8.9, the recommended one. Always download the recommended one because the new ones might have bugs. So download the recommended one. Just wait here for it to skip. You could just skip here for after 2 seconds, so just wait for that. Skip, and you'll get it here. I'm just going to close these things here, and now we want to minimize this. That's my recording software, and put that here, that here. We can minimize this as well, and we want to do %updata%. That will show our roaming folder. Now if you can't see .minecraft here, it will be at the bottom, but it's most likely to be here. So .minecraft, click that. You should see a mods folder. If you don't, just press new folder and type all lower capital letters mods. That's how you do it. And by the way, it should be empty. If you have other mods, remove them because it might crash. So yeah, you just want to put MoreCraft here, and you want to close this, and you want to click this, double click this. Just wait for it and just press OK. You don't have to do anything. Now it's installed. You can press OK and you can start Minecraft. And if it doesn't show this here, you have to select and just click the right version. So yeah, so just press play. You have to just press OK. You understand the risks. There aren't really any risks, but just keep that in mind. So yeah, you just have to press OK on that. So now it's gonna load. Okay, now we can see mods. We have the MoreCraft here, and it should work. So let me just try that, I guess. I always do it in my videos, try the mods, see if everything works. So let's see, my screen just blacked out for a second. Okay. So yes, it works. You can see we have all these stuff here. World's loading just fine, so everything should be okay. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.